I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Happy Saturday. Look what I did. I went to Sam's, and I don't have them lined up very pretty, but it's all right. It doesn't matter. I just wanted to see some flowers on my table. I went to Walmart already. And I got my usual Walmart stuff. And I went to Sam's. So I bought a whole chuck roll. And I'm going to cut it up and put it in and make steaks out of it. So I'll be doing that later. But for breakfast, because I'm hungry, and what is it? It's 11:30. I'm proud of myself. I haven't been like, oh, what time is it? I'm dying. That looks better on this side. Need a little something right up front. I bet some of you all that do these kinds of things, that make flowers look pretty, I bet some of y'all are like, oh, Terri, that's a hot mess, but that's okay. I think it looks prettyful. But yeah, so like I said in my Walmart haul, this is your sign to buy yourself some flowers. You don't have to have anybody in your life to go buy you flowers. You can buy them for yourself. And you can make your own little pretty flower arrangement. I'm just grabbing these and yanking them up. These are going to be pretty. That's one that's starting to open. I should probably put that around front. Come here, little fella. You come around here so that I can see you. So there's that one. And then there's a couple others like this. Oh, I don't want them in the back. Although they'll probably open up too big. Maybe I'll put that right there. Yeah. And then when they open up, they'll be pretty full. But now I need to kind of shove something in there. All right, get in there. You get in there. And then, I know, it's going to take me an hour. All right, there. All right, I'm going to leave them alone. Leave them alone, Terri. Leave them alone, Terri. I can't. All right. So anyway, yeah, so I went to Sam's. I went to Walmart and Sam's. We'll talk in a second while I'm eating. Okay. So I went to Walmart. I got all my things. And you'll need to watch the video to see what all I got. And then I went to Sam's and I got a chuck roll. So right now I'm eating, it's 4 eggs and 4 slices of that pre-cooked bacon. So I didn't quite get my eggs a little bit over medium. Some of them and some of them not. But anyway, so yeah. So, oh my goodness. Don't be getting seasick on me, y'all. So yeah, 4 eggs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices of bacon. So that is what I'm having right now. You just sit there and behave for a minute. I had a good night with Mom last night. We had fun. I had ice cream yesterday, and I had a sweet potato yesterday. And it's so funny, my legs and feet are swollen like a goose. I don't know how goose are swollen, but that's just what we always said. I'm swollen like a goose. So, anyway, no triggers. Oh, cool. Sorry, no triggers. I walked right past them nuts and Sam's, and I did good. I bought a chuck roll, and I bought the Members Mark meat sticks that you've been telling me about. And so I got that. Yeah, that's what I got. And then I'm eating this. So I have to I need to vacuum. I don't know if I'll get to it, but I gotta make creamies. I got my chuck roll in the freezer. I'm gonna do it for after I'm eating. I'll pull out my island and I'll slice it up, and I'll have a video on me doing that. And because I'm excited to see how that even works out. It could be a hot mess. Some people, when I watch their videos, they cut this and chop it up into stuff. I want to try to get it all into steaks. So, mine was like 19 1/3 pounds. So anyway, so I'm still going to try to get it into 14. So it'll be a little over. But what I might do is I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, so this is what I'm having for breakfast. So maybe, I am doing laundry, but no sheets today. Technically, I should be doing stovetop, which I can't do that each time I cook. Microwave, it's fun. Bathroom, yeah. Laundry, mirrors, and vacuum and mop. And trash and wash the dog bowls. Oh, today I'm supposed to clean the doorknobs and switches, like with a disinfectant wipe or something. Dust the inside of my precious moment hutch. Organize my food storage. It's fine. And then organize my food storage containers. That's a whole different ball game. I'd have to look at those. But anyway, so yeah, then vacuum. Make sure I got creamies and chuck roll. So, all right, love y'all. I'm going to eat so you don't have to see me slopping food all on my face. Let me show you what I've been up to for the past little bit. Well, first off, I did chop up the chuck roast. So that's what I'm having here. Plus, I have a one piece of pork belly. Anyway, so we'll talk about that in a minute. Several years ago, I don't know when, a couple years ago, I had to get a new refrigerator freezer. Because I'm a meal prepper, I opted for one without an ice maker or water dispenser. Reason being, I have this entire freezer for my storage, okay? So, when I looked at them, you missed out on this much space for all the stuff, and then this much space for the stuff, even that one. So you only had this little bit, and then that little bit. Well, you see, I use my full freezer space. So I had seen different people on YouTube or TikTok, wherever, talking about having a ice maker, a little personal ice maker. And I think Nisha Berry want something similar. So I bought this on, I don't know, somewhere, Frigidaire. And I forgot about it and I quit using it because it's kind of a hassle. But then I'm like, well, you dummy, you don't have to do nothing. So I plugged it in today. It's got water down in it. And then it just makes ice. So the problem with it is that the ice is wet. Okay. So what I have been doing throughout the day is when it drops a couple loads, I put it in here and I freeze it, get it back to the frozen state, and then I put it in this baggie. So when this is all, after all the water runs out, I'm going to have 1 or 2 little Ziploc bags of ice. At the time I got this, I think it was 110, 120 maybe. I honestly do not remember. That's the large. Oh, no, that's the small setting. Hey, I'm going to switch it to large and see what happens. I guess that's small ice. I thought I had it on large. Anyway, you won't be seeing that because it freezes pretty quick. I think it's once every hour or so. Anyway, also from that chuck roll that I bought, I cut up all the fat, and I put it in there. Also, the way I cooked this, I put it in the microwave. I know, sacrilegious, but it was so thick. So I put it in the microwave. So when it was done in the microwave, there was all this rendered fat from the pork belly. So I added that to that. So anyway, I'm going to let that cook on low all night long. And then tomorrow, I'll pour it out. And then you all have seen how I do whenever I'm trying to render fat. But so that's what's been happening. Oh, I made some creamies today. I am so stinking excited to try this flavor, but I can't. It is pumpkin pie spice caramel, or pumpkin spice caramel and vanilla. So I'm excited to try that one. What other one did I make that I think is going to... Oh, yeah. I did a chocolate peanut butter and apple. So that's going to be good. What's this? And I also have a lemon and a... Oh, you guys, I wanted to see... This one is my collagen. So I cannot have it. It has to freeze for 24 hours, so I can't have it tonight. But that's what this one is. It's just my collagen. So that is going to be an experiment to see what we think of that, because I haven't tried that before. So, all right. So that's what I've been up to. And so I've got this out. So whenever when all the fat's like separated and warmed up, I'm going to put it in these little molds. It'll be easier. Yeah, that doesn't matter. But anyway, so they'll be able to tolerate the heat when I bake it, and then and have it rendered. I can pour it into this. So yeah, all right. I'll meet you in the living room. Hang on. So there's this thing that was all over Facebook for my area. I did not go because I was planning on buying that chuck roll. And what they were doing, it was some kind of essence, something essence beef or something essence. And they drive to a place, like a parking lot, and they sell their meat. It was like supposedly 20 steaks for 20 ribeyes for $40. And then, I don't know, a bunch of different deals, but it made me a little nervous. It's just some random truck. So I don't know. But anyway, hang on. Let me look at Facebook and see the name of it. Okay, Essential Foods Direct. So I texted one of my coworkers and asked, because she was planning on going. I was like, did you go? And she said, yeah. She said the ribeyes were small. She didn't say how, but she said they were small, but, she had pretty much expected that. So this is that chuck roll. Hang on. So I went to Sam's today. I don't remember if I told y'all or not. You're going to hear it again. And I bought a 20-pound, it was like almost 20-pound chuck roll. And it was it was like $145. So it was $7.44 a pound. And I sliced it. So please know, it was a chuck roll. And I cut it into steaks, and whatever was left were just kind of chunks. So I don't care about steaks being super soft. Listen, it wasn't a rump roast. We learned our lesson with that. So that's what this is. So I was curious to see how each one is. I don't know what end this was from. It was just a whole chuck roll. But I cooked it about medium. See that? It's a little chewy. But tastes great. A little chewy. Not chewy, but it's a little, you got to bite into it. It's got a little texture to it. Let's try out this poor burned pork belly piece. Yep. If I die, I didn't microwave this long enough. It didn't look so, it's kind of weird in the middle. It's not pink, but it looks caramel, like a piece of caramel. Anyway, so yeah, so I did that. And then I put, this one was one that was 13 ounces, so it wasn't like a full, what my plan was. But I'm going to be eating at home tomorrow, so I don't have to worry. And y'all saw I didn't track today. But I told you exactly what I ate. I have not eaten anything else. Whether it was 5 strips of that little bacon, 4 eggs. That held me over till now. It is 4 o'clock. Go, Terri. So, that's that. Now I'm going to eat this. This was, like I said, 13 ounces. This is probably a little more than half, so I probably have, I'm going to say 7 ounces. Maybe 7 ounces, 8 ounces. We'll go with 8 ounces. 8 ounces in this one, so if you're deciding to plug it in for yourself. And a slice of pork belly. I broke my tooth. Right, hang on. It's so burned, it got stuck. Anyway, so that's that. Oh, I haven't. I didn't vacuum. I'm just not feeling it. Maybe tomorrow. To be honest, I'm thinking I'm gonna stay home tomorrow. kind of nauseated all of a sudden. Anyway, not just that, but to be honest, I think I'm going to stay home tomorrow. Judy ain't going to be able to see me. She's got her and her other Judy, they have a date. Not a date, but they're playing tomorrow, so I'm not going to see her, so I might just stay home tomorrow. This is pistachio and chocolate peanut butter. Nice. Obviously, I ain't that nauseated. I did feel a little nauseated for a split second, but maybe that's hunger. Maybe that's what hunger feels like. I don't know. Like I said, I ain't sick. So that's my supper. I love y'all. And you have a good day, okay? Bye.